Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to reduce loudness in voiceover in Camtasia. So first of all, go to voice narration. Now you can see that we are recording a voiceover, which is, you can see the sound level, it's set to totally high, right? Now if I speak something on the microphone, okay, it will not just adjust the loudness. So you can see there is an icon which is called auto leveling, right? So you need to click on that auto leveling. Now you can see this volume is automatically leveling up according to, you know, my environment or my voiceover. So if you turn this on, and if you have like a terrible microphone which gives so much noise, so this might be a little bit helpful to you. But right now the microphone I'm using, it's automatically clear out the noise. I mean, it's automatically cancel the noise, so I don't have control over it, but it's very good though. So I hope you guys understand how you can just reduce the loudness of your voiceover. Now you can see, as I'm talking, as I'm speaking, the volume is automatically you know, you can see the changes in level, right? So yep, it's a very useful tool. So if you turn on the auto leveling in Camtasia 2021.